Hi, I'm Rachel Poe, and this is my PowerPoint on can fostering shelter animals improve the caretaker's mental health along with the animals. Introductions. Psychology, I believe, is a big part of animal conservation. It'll impact the animals and the humans. I believe that with helping the animals, it can greatly improve humans' mental health. Helping the animals can improve the animals, but put into the wrong hands, it can greatly decrease the animals' mental health. Animals do have feelings, and I believe that helping them in a good way will greatly improve it. But just knowing that you had helped the animal in a good way can increase your health. That's why I believe this question is very important. Can fostering animals improve the caretaker's mental health along with the animals? Discussion. Underneath all of my research, I have figured out as fostering is good for animals and humans. Humans have been a big help to animals gaining their love again. Animals during fostering gain personality and emotions. The animals need people to foster, especially if they have a bad past. Conclusion. Animals need us more than we need them. Animals need humans to show them how to love and be loved. My cats didn't have meows before I got them. They needed me to show them they are safe and are loved. That's why fostering animals need us. They need us to be able to socialize them so they know other animals and humans aren't a threat. Humans can help the animals. With my knowledge of psychology and what I've learned, this class has truly helped me understand animals and their emotions. I would like to really understand animals. I have 2 cats and a dog. This class has helped me understand psychology and how it works on my animals.